Guys, what's up? It's Morgan. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. So, I just got the notification on my phone that my EHP Labs package has been delivered. So, I'm about to go pick it up from the mailbox. I've been waiting for this package for like a week and I cannot wait to open it. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. Why? Haha, the magic key. Or wait, is this my package? No, this can't be my package. My package is in here. But, okay, it's not that one. Of course it's not the one that I try to do. Come to mama. This is hard with one hand. I'm struggling, y'all. So I got my package. It's right there. And I'm so excited to open this. I wanted to vlog this and I decided that I kind of want to do like a unboxing video. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. The package has been secured. Or what's that saying? The package, yeah, the package has been secured. The package is secured. The package has been secured. I think that's what it is. Something like that. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Anyways. Wow. Does anyone else like love getting packages? Because I do. It's like getting a gift, even though you paid for it. Let's bring this baby inside. Okay. So, have my package right here. Ooh. Okay, sorry. I'm just like super excited for this. This is just a list of everything that I got. So EHP Labs is doing this summer sale thing where you can buy these packages. I've been really wanting to start taking supplements because I don't take like pre-workout or anything like that before I work out. I've kind of just been ready to step up my fitness game because right now I'm just eating healthy and working out, and so now I'm ready to kind of just take the next step, you know what I mean? And it was really good too because I was able to get the blessed protein in my package. So yeah, that was great because I was about to run out of my protein. Let's see what's in here. Paper. Okay, wow. This is like a goodie box. Everything that's in here, it's like so much stuff. So yeah, let's get to opening what these are. Let's start with, what should we start with? Let's just start with my protein. So, this is the blessed protein. I got the vanilla chai one. The other flavors that I have of this, I have the salted caramel and the chocolate coconut one. I'm not a fan of vanilla protein flavored, which is why like I never got this one. I recently had tried it and it was one of the greatest things I've ever tried. It was so good. I really was like shocked. So I had to buy this one and I got the 2-pound one, so it's freaking huge. Let me show you compared to like the one that I have. This is the one that I have. It's the salted caramel one. And look at it compared to that. Wow. Wow. So much protein. The thing that I like about this protein is it's good if you're vegan. So 100% plant-based. So if you're vegan, I highly suggest this protein. I love it so freaking much. I should put this knife up because, you know, we don't want people like slipping on it or something. So I was able to get these free little sample packets. One of them is the Oxy Shred Ultra Thermogenic Wild Melon flavor. This one is the strawberry daiquiri one, and this one is the blue ras flavor. So this one's really good to help like boost your metabolism and break down like those fat cells. This is basically like a pre-workout. Just take it like before you work out, gives you energy, you know, gives you that extra little boost that you need. I got this cute little summer towel. How do you open this? Oh. or when you work out, if you're like sweating, it's a good towel. I also got the color red in the shaker bottle because, you know, why not? That's what it looks like. Let's get rid of this trash. So next, I got, these are women's vitamins. They're just basically to enhance your performance. It's basically just like vitamins for women. They have like a men's one also. So it says it provides daily nutritional support for active women. And then it says, reduce your daily stresses from work, training, and diet by consuming 2 easy to swallow capsules per day. It has like vitamin C, vitamin D3, and chromium, which supports natural energy, immunity, calcium absorption, healthy blood sugar levels, and female hormone balance, because, you know, as females are so hormonal. That's what that looks like. Next, I got the Deep Sleep Fat Burner Oxy Rim. It's for women. It's the women's one. They also have a men's one, so make sure that you get the right one if you're a man or a woman. Basically, take 2 capsules 30 minutes before bedtime. It's a 3-in-1 deep sleep recovery catalyst and non-stimulant fat burner, vitamin B6 and banana leaf extract for female hormone regulation and mood balance. Melatonin and zinc help regulate sleep cycles to promote REM deep sleep. GABA promotes the release of natural hormones for sleep and recovery. So the next thing that I got is the RP Max Thermal Activator in Strawberry Daiquiri. This is what it looks like. This is basically just a pre-workout. You take it like 15-20 minutes before you're about to work out. Just gives you that extra boost of energy, just like those little packets that I got. This flavor just sounded like one that I would like, so hopefully I like this one. I heard pre-workout actually like really helps you a lot, so I'm super excited to use this. Next thing is the Oxy Shred Ultra Thermogenic in pink grapefruit flavor. That's what it looks like. So basically what this is, it's like a fat burner. So you just take a scoop of this with some water and drink it before like you eat breakfast, just like first thing in the morning. And also if you're working out that day, you can take another one in the afternoon. It says don't take it any later than 5 p.m. It says to for sure take it on an empty stomach. So right away when you wake up, just drink this. Wait about 20 minutes and then maybe you can eat breakfast or drink your protein shake or whatever you want to do. It says it'll take your body to a new level of fat burning. I'm kind of excited to try this. I feel like this is going to be really nice. I think I'm going to really like this stuff. And then lastly, I got this cute little bag. I should open it so I can show y'all. Okay. It's like a cute just little bag. You can like put your stuff in and go to the gym. And it comes with like a long cord if you want to like hang it over your shoulder. It also comes in different colors. You can pick which one you want. I of course like white, so that's why I went with the white and blue one. That's what it looks like. It has a cute little star, and it says EHP Labs, and then it says hashtag Team EHP right there. That's basically everything that I got in my package. I'm like super excited to try this stuff out. Yeah, that's everything that I got. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're planning on trying to buy supplements, definitely try EHP Labs. I think this was called like the starter pack or something. I can't wait to see where this takes my fitness journey. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're thinking about buying one of their summer things, I would do it fast because summer's almost over, and actually I don't even know if it's still going on. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below which supplements you take or any that you could suggest are good. I'm always open to trying like new things. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.